In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use text templates within Pixlr X. Text templates can be found within the Add Text icon in the toolbar. Pixlr E has a large variety of text templates which can be added to your image with a simple click. Once you have chosen your template, each of the elements which can be edited are added to your layer panel on the right. You can reposition and resize the template as needed. You can also edit the text. In this example, let's change summer to spring. And now that you know how to use text templates, have fun creating with Pixlr X.